What do you think of Daddy's mustache, Logan?
Mommy, he doesn't look like Daddy anymore. He doesn't have his hair on his neck. I want to keep it like that.
You want to keep it like this? You know.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks kind of silly now.
You have a different face.
Ooh.
Mom. 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 You have a different face.
Ooh.
What? He.
It's Daddy.
Hi, Cassandra.
My hair looks really bad.
Cassandra,
I look really bad.
can you just look at me and say hi?
Hi.
That's it?
I love you. Yay. Go team.
You don't notice anything different?
Why are you sad?
Because Papa shaved his beard off.
It's still the same Papa.
Okay. Matthew just shaved today.
Hey. Come here.
It's Dad.
Come here.
It's Dad.
Come here. No, come here.
Go say hi to Dad.
Come here.
Say bye-bye, Beard.
See if you recognize me when I get done, okay?
Tell his beard bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give his beard a kiss.
Mwah. Okay.
Who is that?
Hey.
Dada, give him a kiss.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no. What happened?
Oh.
What happened? Where did it go?
He does not want to look at my face like this. Hey, Ez. It's all gone.
Ready, peekaboo? Ready? Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Where's Daddy?
Peekaboo!
My hair gone.
Yeah, I'm so mad.
It's gonna grow back. You mad at me?
I'm gonna get another dada.
You gonna get another dad?
Hey.
He just face bombed. Oh, it's Daddy.
It's your daddy.
It's just Daddy.
Mama.
Come on, it's just Daddy. It's just Daddy.